Today I'm going to show you a super quick little tutorial on hand sewing a super cute hand bow like this one. If you ever find yourself out on vacation without any sewing supplies and you need to look kinda cute, then this tutorial is just for you. Because that's basically the situation I find myself in right now. Don't mind the crickets, they're kinda loud, but I don't know what to do about it. I need to make the salty hair a little bit more presentable somehow. So I thought maybe a cute bow will distract from the state they're in. With no sewing machine inside, I only have those two suckers to help me. So let's see what we can do. Okay, first you cut out those pieces out of fabric. And gather your materials. You're going to need some thread, a sewing needle, scissors, and a hair tie, and that's it. I had the feeling that the hand-rolled edges would take me the longest, so I started with those. And let me tell you, this part took up most of the total sewing time. This is quite the specific technique, and I haven't done it properly in many years, so there was zero muscle memory there. If you're interested in learning how to do this properly, I highly recommend this video by the Sewn Company. There, the technique is explained in detail by experts, so you will learn it from them. After struggling and readjusting after every stitch on the table, I used my lap as a table, which proved to be a little bit more comfortable. I managed to produce a somewhat acceptable rolled hem and moved on to the rest of the bow. Fold the long bow pieces lengthwise and sew the edge with small back stitches. Same with the shorter bow piece. Now flip both of them inside out. If you have access to an iron or a steamer in my case, you know what to do. Give your bow pieces a little press to make the edges look more crisp and presentable. To form a bow shape, fold the short edges to the middle and fold over the seam allowance. Secure with a few stitches and make sure they go through the whole construct. They don't need to be very neat as they will be covered later. Also do the same with the second bow. Now for the flappy bow ends. First you need a little gathering stitch at the open edge to scrunch them up a bit. Then you secure it on the back side at a roughly 45-degree angle. Again, secure with quick little stitches in the back. Now add the hair tie at the back, like so. And now with the middle part folded over, you can hide all the not so pretty parts and secure everything with some small stitches again. And here you go, a last minute quick project, super beginner friendly, and you can do it by hand. I think it adds a lot of flair to your summer wardrobe and yeah, just made me feel prettier, even though my hair was quite damaged. Okay, enjoy your summer, honeys, bye!